We're going to talk about bar placement. First of all, don't have the bar up on your neck unless you want to see the chiropractor a whole lot more. Put that bar on your traps and kind of your rear delts like that. Hand placement, not too wide, of course, not so close it's binding up your shoulders or elbows. On this particular squat, you'll notice I'm leaned out. Feet are pointed out slightly. When I come down, I control it. I keep my weight on my heels. When I come up, I push forward with my hips and squeeze my butt and hamstrings. So I'm targeting my hamstrings and my glutes rather than using my quads. So the difference would be here's butt and hamstrings, here's quads. So while the differences are small, they're huge for the results you get, as well as treating and training certain weak muscles to make your back stronger, your posture better. Now I got to knock out 10 reps.